Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to get the developer 666 mod for Dead Island. Here we go. First you start out right down there, right there on the map, right next to all the other bungalows. Then you start going up the hill. See that arrow? You keep following the arrow. I don't think there's any more arrows. Oh, we fell. Here we go. But first of all, you have to have the brown skull. And we will show you that part of our video later. Here you go, right there on the flag. Then you hold down square. You place the brown skull. And you get the developer 666 craft mod. There you go. That's it for today. Talk to you later.